Printer and Finisher Preparation for Shipping. This video shows how to prepare your HP printer and finisher for shipping or transportation. First, press the power button to turn off the printer. Then, disconnect the power cord from the printer and the wall outlet. To prepare the keyboard, if installed, lower the keyboard so it's flat against the printer. Tape a foam block next to the keyboard on the side of the printer. This will help protect the edge of the keyboard. Tape a long piece of foam across the front and side of the keyboard. This will help protect the keyboard from damage. Use plastic wrap to secure the foam in place. Remove the stabilization blocks from the front and rear of the printer. Turn the stabilizer on the bottom of the printer to raise them up. The printer is now ready for final preparation at the loading dock. Note: avoid rough surfaces and gaps when transporting the printer. This can damage the caster wheels. To prepare the finisher for shipping, begin by opening the front door. Pull out the locking rail until it stops. Slide the finisher away from the printer. Disconnect any cables connected to the printer. Remove both output trays. If installed, pull out the punch waste container. Make sure that the container is empty and then replace the punch waste container. Close the front door. Using two people, carefully lower the finisher onto its side and slide it onto a shipping pallet. Prepare foam sheet by cutting holes for the printer wheels. Then tape the foam to the bottom of the printer to protect the plastic wheels. Use plastic wrap to secure the foam to the finisher. The finisher is now ready for final preparation at the loading dock. Click the Playlists tab in YouTube to find HP videos in other languages, and search our channel to find official HP support videos.